Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a person you would like to study or work with. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe a person you would like to study or work with. In this cue card you have to speak about a person with whom you like to study or work with. Here is the sample answer. It is unequivocal to say that good news puts us in a euphoria. Although I have received numerous good news from others in my life, one is exceptional and worth mentioning. My father told me that my elder brother would visit us next month to celebrate Diwali. It was the news I had been waiting for ages, and I couldn't believe it for a few hours. I received it last year just 1 month before Diwali. My father surprisingly told me. In the morning, he told me that my brother would not come to India for the next 2 years due to his new job, and after knowing that, I was in depression. However, my grandparents made me cheerful by telling me that my brother had booked the tickets and he would reach the next month to celebrate the festival of Diwali with pomp and show. It was good news because I had been waiting for my brother for 3 years. My brother went to Canada 4 years back to pursue a 1-year course. When he was about to come to India after finishing his studies, there was a lockdown worldwide due to the corona pandemic. So his homecoming after 3 years was good news for my family and me. That news filled my home with joy and excitement, and we started planning for the grand celebration immediately. The excitement I had after receiving that day's news will be etched in my memories. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section.